Welcome to another quick review. Hey guys, I'm working in the kitchen here again. I had to get up inside of the Vent-A-Hood and work, and it is extremely hard to see. You can't really use a flashlight in there, and if I try to put a light under it, it just blinds you with all the reflection in here. So you need a really good headlamp. Also, when I was working on the piping going into the attic, I needed another headlamp to be able to work up there, and holding the flashlight and installing those pipes is painful. I ended up with this. It's a mossy oak light. Now this is a really cool little light. It's going to have a button which you're going to turn it on. You have one light here, push it again, it changes it down to a low, and then a third time it goes to the other light, push it again, and now I can get both of the lights on. So it is really bright. You can see how bright this thing is. So that is great, but it also has another function. Now see how I'm moving my hand? It's doing nothing. I have another button here. I turn that on. It has a green light flashing here, telling me that it's engaged, and I can actually move my hand in front of it and it will come on. So I can actually turn it on that way, turn it off that way. Very cool. Where that really comes in handy, say you're a mechanic and you're underneath the car and your hands are greasy, you don't want to reach up and touch it with the buttons. If you're a painter, you're trying to paint, you've got your hands in paint, you can be using an oil stain, whatever it is, you may want to be able to just wave in front of it and make it work. They give you the actual power cord. And the reason this has a power cord is it's battery operated, but it's rechargeable. Most of these I used to have and used quite a bit. I had to always put batteries in them. I like the fact that they give you the little USB-C charging cord, and I can charge this thing up and I can rock and roll. One other thing, guys, if you are a hunter, this is mossy oak. It's great for hunting. It's great for being in the woods. It's great if you are a runner, you can put it on. The actual strap, by the way, is very elastic. It is a nice rubber, and it all has a no-slip surface on the strap, so it doesn't just fall down, and you're simply going to adjust it with the little slip buckles in the very back. So overall, very nice unit, very well made. One other thing, the charger, when it goes in, it goes under here, and it does have the plastic little cover. Where that's important is if you're working outside, if you're exercising outside, anywhere where the elements are bad, you make sure you put the little cover back on and you're good to go. Do yourself a favor, pick one up today, and we'll see you guys on the next review.